True or false? Dahlias make the best cut flower. So let me help you create a dahlia cut flower garden. After you've chosen your favorite varieties, it's time to plan your bed. Regardless of the size of your bed, you're going to plan for 1 dahlia tuber per square foot. Next, add 4 inches of quality compost. Then dig it in. Then I lay landscape fabric down to keep the weeds at bay. I've pre-cut holes in mine where my dahlias are going to go. Be sure to secure it with landscape pegs. Grab a trowel, go to your first hole, and dig about a 4-inch well. Then add a little small handful of bulb food, your tuber, and put it in a little bit horizontally so the eye is facing up, and then cover it up. Once you're done planting your dahlias, you want to create a support system. I'm going to make a corralling system. Let's get going. Voila! Dahlia flowers can't be beat. If you plant a dahlia cut flower garden right now, you'll be enjoying weekly bouquets of fresh arrangements all summer long.